How to share a draft on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can share a draft on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share a draft on TikTok, you can just try opening the TikTok application here. So let me first of all go ahead and try to save a particular draft. I'll just record a video like this. Once I record a video, I'll just tap this little arrow icon here, and once I've done that, I will simply save this as my draft here, right? So I'll just come back, I'll hit this option here, I'll hit the next option, and right over here you can see more options, and then I'll be able to first of all save this as my draft. So here you can see the save draft option. Now once I've saved this to my draft, how do I share it? Maybe to my profile page. Now here you can see, in order to come, you just have to come to profile page and you'll find the draft footage that we saved earlier. So you want to make sure to tap that draft footage here and then just select this up, and now you can go ahead and continue recording or continue editing, or depending upon whatever else you prefer, you can tap the next option. And as you tap the next option, you can then tap the post option here in order to make all the changes, and after that you can hit the post option to share this draft. This way you can share a draft on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.